how she make the most delicious onion stew, guys. Guys, watch this video to the end and see the outcome of this cooking. If today is the first time coming across this channel, you are highly welcome here. Please do me well by hitting the subscribe button for more updates, guys. So as you can see on this video, she's already fried the onions. So after turning the onions, she cover it to cook, as you can see on this video. So here is the tin tomato she want to use. So she want to mix it with the pepper together. So she putting the tin tomatoes inside the pepper. So it's mixing it, guys. So she's done mixing it. So she keep the remaining one. Here she come to check the stew. As you can see, the stew is stirring. She turn it and cover it back to cook. So here again, she come back to check it again. So you have to leave the onions to dried water. As you can see on this video, she is turning it. After turning it, she add the curry powder. After curry powder, she add one no maggi inside. As you can see on this video, who they run now wife material now they run now. So she turn it gently. So after turning it, she cover it to cook. Here she come back again to check it. Who they run now wife material they run now. So after turning it, as you can see on this video, she add the tin tomato she mix with pepper together. So our yummy stew is getting ready. So she add the tomatoes, everything inside. After adding it, she cover it to cook. As you can see on this video, she's back to check it. You can see the smoke that come out on this food, guys, to show you that the stew were burning before. So she turned it very well and everything mixed very well, as you can see on this video. She is still turning it to remove that bone inside so that the stew will not burn more. So after turning it, she cover it back to cook. We are here again to check it out. You can see the stew now. The stew is getting ready, so yummy and delicious. So we are turning the stew. As you can see on this video, you can see the way we are turning the stew. We turn it very well to avoid burning. So we add the mixed stock inside. After adding the mixed stock, we cover it to cook back. So guys, we are here to check it again. As you can see on this video, the stew is stirring. So we added the fish and the chicken we fried and we turn it very well. We make sure we turn it very well. After turning it, we cover it to cook back. So here we are back again to check it again to add the remaining meat. So you can see the body we added inside. We also add the pomo we boiled inside. So after adding it, we turn it back. How do you reason the stew now? The stew is stirring. As the stew fine, also the stew sweet. Taste it, you will love it and you will not eat any other stew again. Guys, if you have not used so many onions to cook your stew, try it out and come and thank me later. So we are here to see the final process. You can see the stew. The stew is ready, so yummy, so delicious. Just put small in your rice, you are good to go. Guys, share this video. Please subscribe for more.